Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to register a complaint in Zerodha. It's important to know the proper steps to ensure your concerns are addressed efficiently. Your first step should always be to contact Zerodha's customer support. Make sure you have all the necessary information ready, such as your client identification and any relevant transaction details or screenshots. The most common and effective way to start is by creating a support ticket through their online portal. To create a support ticket, navigate to the Zerodha support portal. You can either search for an existing article related to your issue or directly choose to create a new ticket. You will need to log in using your Zerodha credentials. Clearly describe your issue, providing as much detail as possible, including specific dates and amounts. You can also attach up to 6 supporting files, each smaller than 5 megabytes, to help illustrate your problem. Zerodha typically aims to respond to tickets within 24 to 48 hours. If your initial complaint remains unresolved after about 7 working days, it's time to escalate. You should email the Zerodha grievance officer, ensuring you include your original ticket number, client identification, and a brief summary of all prior communications. If still not satisfied, you can further escalate your grievance to the head of compliance or even the chief executive officer. Remember to keep detailed records of every interaction and reference number throughout this process. Should your complaint not be resolved through Zerodha's internal channels, you have external options. You can lodge a complaint with the Securities and Exchange Board of India, or SEBI, through their scores portal. Additionally, you may approach the relevant stock exchanges, such as the National Stock Exchange or Bombay Stock Exchange. When filing with any external authority, it is crucial to provide your Zerodha complaint reference number to ensure proper tracking and resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.